If you need to type special characters that are not included in your normal keyboard on iPhone, the easiest way to do it is to press and hold a character, and a list of all the related special characters will open. This is great if you only need to add a rare special character here and there, but if you're fully typing in a different language, it's usually better to add a separate keyboard for that language. You can do that by going to Settings, General, Keyboard, Keyboards, and then adding a new keyboard for a different language. This allows you to quickly change between different languages and can make typing a lot easier. The long press also works with other characters. For example, long press the number 0 to get a degree symbol. Long press the currency symbol to input any foreign currency. Or long press the dash to get different variations. And that's how it's done. Hope this helps. Leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to get more guides like this straight into your YouTube feed.